traders, this is Tepdon here from BreakingOptions.com. Hope you had a great trading week. Today we're going to provide a video on a trade we just put on, and I hope you enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please email us at tepdon@breakingoptions.com. Thanks. All right, so we took the BABA 280 calls for next week because we identified a possible run-up into earnings. We saw BABA pulled back to the 21, which is the perfect entry. We looked back on history and we noticed BABA tends to run up into earnings and actually gap up, not once, not twice. But if you can't get all the way back here, it was 3 times, guys. The past 3 earnings, it actually gapped up before earnings. So we identified that pattern. We used the 280 calls. They cost us $1, and we used 50-cent stop, giving it 50%. So we just kind of wanted to hold the 21 today. I think it's getting pulled down because Baidu reported horrible earnings. So that is why we took the trade.